In real estate, one of the phrases everyone's familiar with is location, location, location. So, how does buying a home right near a school impact you as a potential home buyer? Well, there are some pros and some potential cons that you should keep in mind if you're thinking about buying a home near a school. And that's the topic of this week's Home Buying 101 episode. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty. So let's start with the potential cons. One of them could be increased traffic during drop-off and pickup times especially. Also, potential parking issues if there's not adequate parking at the school to accommodate teachers, staff, and parents when school is in session. You may also find some increased foot traffic along with that auto traffic. But what about the pros of buying a home near a school? Well, if you've got kids, the obvious one is that they'll be able to walk to school, and that could be a big benefit. Additionally, the school could be a pretty good neighbor evenings and weekends when not many people are around, except for things like back to school night or if there's a school carnival or something like that. But otherwise, that school is going to be a pretty good neighbor most of the time. And if there's a playground or a field that's open that your kids could use or you could use, then that could be a benefit too. Additionally, if it's a highly rated school, that can positively impact your property value. So those are just some of the things to keep in mind if you're considering a home purchase near a school. If you have any questions about the home buying process, definitely reach out and let us know. We've also put together a free home buyer's guide, and I'll make sure to include that link below. So check it out and let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching.